Hey folks, it's Adam from 911 Studios, and I've got a great website for you to check out, particularly if you're considering bankruptcy, if you've got issues with student loans, looking for student loan debt forgiveness. Maybe you want to do it without declaring bankruptcy, you want to do it yourself. I've got the best website for you. It's called FYI DIY. Real easy to remember. For your information, do it yourself. FYIDIY.com. What's the website? Well, it gives you all the forms and information, over 45 documents that will help you do that yourself. You don't have to go pay an expensive lawyer. I'm talking $20. Get it done all by yourself. You don't have to pay hundreds and hundreds to get the information you need, to get the forms you need, to learn how to fill them out. It's all on the website. It's easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, so my buddy JT is an amazing lawyer, but he admits that 90% of his day is people coming into his office and saying, hey, I need help with this. Then he goes, oh, okay. Charges him a couple $100s for the consultation. Then he takes a form, hands it to his admin and says, fill this out and file it. It's that easy. A lot of stuff that we're doing nowadays that we're paying expensive lawyers with Harvard law degrees, hundreds and hundreds, up to $500 an hour, is to fill out a form. And he actually has to wait on that information. Sorry, JT, I'm putting your information out there. He has to wait to hand it back to the person so they don't get upset that it took 3 minutes for him to make $500, right? So what you need to do is click the link in the description below. It's for your information, and you can do it yourself. Click the link in the description below. You sign up, it's only $20. You get access to like 45 or more documents, like a ton of documents, descriptions, information, and learn how to do it yourself. And think about the money that could be saving you. File for your student loan forgiveness now. Don't wait. Think about the time value of money. Think about the opportunity cost. If you file it now, that means you might have 30 years of not paying for it in the future. All that money you could be saving. Don't wait till next week. Don't wait till next month. Click the link in the description below. Go to the website. Don't even think about it. $20 is nothing compared. How much is your student loan? The average person has over $30, $40, $50, $60,000 in student loan debt when they graduate from college. It's ridiculous. There's a lot of debt forgiveness programs, and all you have to do is fill out a form. You can do so without declaring bankruptcy, or maybe you need help declaring bankruptcy correctly. Yeah, think of all that money. The pain, the stress of having all that debt on your shoulders could be gone for $20. It's really simple. It's a great website. It's teaching you how to do it yourself, folks. Don't spend $300, $500, $700. Don't spend $2,000 declaring bankruptcy and trying to get out of student debt. File it yourself. Do it yourself, folks. It's absolutely amazing. FYIDIY.com. Link in the description below. You're going to want to check them out. Absolutely amazing. It's something, the big companies don't want to tell you you can do it yourself. You know why? Because they want to take your money. They want to drag you along and make you fill out tons of forms and paperwork and things and come back for consultations and discussion and look at your finances. When you could have just filled out a form, paid $20 and done it quick, easy. Do it yourself, folks. Do it yourself. Do it yourself. In almost every situation, it's gonna save you money to do it yourself. You know, sure, you can go pay for a 5-course meal and pay $500 at a restaurant, or you can make them a nice steak for $20. In this case, we're telling you it's worth paying $20 and making the steak for yourself. You still eat the same steak. Just do it yourself and save yourself money. Make a smart financial decision. Take it from me. Click the link in the description below. You absolutely won't be disappointed. Thanks again for watching. Click like and subscribe. We have new videos all the time. I'm Adam, and adios, amigo. Now click